It is our moon, it is the nearest heavenly body to the earth, so near that a spacecraft can take us during through 4 days, but so distant that all planets, the earth and the moon can be accommodated in the sky. Is a many a story horse can be put in this distance. This round-shaped stone has been the most beautiful rim of the mind over the millions of years. In our childhood, an old lady on the moon was waving on a spindle, which the old lady was from when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed on the moon. On July 24, 1979, read the following 6 mission to the moon. Also did not find any of the science took away from us a beautiful story of the ancient times. Many stories about the moon were popular all over the world. Even today, the people share research and investigation believe in such tales. Still, a large number of people imagine space of the moon as for its choice. But what imagine does in fact, it is not an image at all. Actually, it is lava and ashes spread all over the moon. The team of Neil Armstrong, 53 years ago, had in fact brought the pieces of the same lava from the moon.
Research on the lava revealed the eruption of the countless volcanoes on the moon. 3.5 billion years ago, the lava spread to the thousands of miles. Congealed lava appears like spewed from the heart. Sand is called the seas of the moon. Congealed lava appears like spewed from the heart. Sand is called the seas of the moon. Maria, they have named every sea like sea of knowledge, sea of crisis, sea of the cold, etc.
The area of the black marks that is the much brighter on the moon may be called desert. This is the fact in the ashes that explosion of lava produced and peel on the hills like snow. When the sunlight shades on the ashes, they reflect and illuminate to the eastward direction. Neil Armstrong also happened to land on the same spot, ashes on the moon. That is why his footprint was so clear. Man had landed on the moon half a century ago, but it is the footprint on the moon are intact today. The appears from just a day ago. Do you know why it is so? The reason being that absence of air, cloud and rain on the moon, because the moon does not have circle we have on the earth, which means the moon does not have the atmosphere for that matter. The human footprint on the moon will stay intact to the millions or billions of years. Do you know that we can see only one side of the moon? Truly reply, how many of us think why over the moon millions of years ago? Only one side we just see. Speckled and bright big marks are also always the same. The reason the moon not only moves around the world, also the revolves on its axis. It takes equal time in completing one round of the earth and moving on its axis. That is why man on earth cannot see the other side of the moon. The man has made much progress. He is also tracked out the second side of the moon. Man has pictured the second side called far side of the moon years ago, which we see it massive scale. You also know that the moon's scientific name is Luna and the moon surface is called lunar surface.